How to add a debug console in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left, you'll be able to see this extension of Run and Debug. Here, as you can see in my context, I don't have any. Now you can easily install it by simply searching through it. Here, in my case, I have found this Python extension for Visual Studio Code. Now here on the top, you can see this install button. Simply tap on install. Now again, tap on install. So it will take some time, but make sure you must have memory allocated for it. So it will take some space and memory, and later you'll be able to use this extension and run and debug your code easily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.